Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's topic, we're going to talk about what is the best oil to moisturize braids. Castor oil, considered the best scalp oil for braids, is the most suitable pick for the deep conditioning treatment. Before going to bed at night, apply a generous amount of organic castor oil to your scalp. Your scalp absorbs them, cover it using a plastic cap or towel, or you could use your sleeping cap. Oh, yes, is how often you should oil your scalp depends on how dry your scalp is. I have a very dry scalp, so when I have box braids, I try to oil my scalp every day. I'll say start with every 2 days, and depending on how your scalp does, you can oil it more or less. As far as washing, I try to go every 2 to 3 weeks because I try and preserve my braids for as long as possible. But again, that depends on your hair type and your scalp needs. Okay? All right. Yes, sis, after installing and maintenance, the ear in braids need to be maintained as much as the hair when it is unbraided. This took me a while to understand, but ear in box braids must be taken care of as much as, not as less than the ear without extension. The scalps needs to be clean and moisturized. Braids can be very drying to hair. This can be done with water mixed with an essential oil. The best moisturizer for both skin and hair is water mixed with 3 to 4 cups of extra virgin olive oil, and it can be a leave-in conditioner, and you can also apply a drop of tea tree oil. This can be sprayed on the braid as well. Yes, sis, guess what? The tip is actually pretty genius. The olive oil, hair spray, ear oil helps to hydrate the scalp and hair, yet the added water keeps the hair from getting too greasy by using a spray bottle. It is pretty easy to evenly distribute the formula throughout the hair and between the small braids. Guess what, sis? Does olive oil help your hair growth? For braids, everything you need to know. Here is a key summary. Hey. Olive oil is rich in fatty acid and vitamins, potentially promotes healthier hair and enhance growth. Despite limited scientific evidence, the key benefits of olive oil for hair growth include nourishing, reducing DHT levels, preventing damage, and supporting scalp health. And that's what we're all about, scalp health and care. Usage. Method include olive oil, hair mask, and combination with other ingredients, with recommended application once a week for optimal results. Okay, and the hair growth cycle. Before we dive into the main topic of whether olive oil is beneficial for hair growth, it is critical to understand how the hair cycle works. But guess what? We ain't going to get in that one. Okay, let's get into this educational tip as I keep it moving. Right? Yes. Okay. Is olive oil good for hair growth? While the scientific evidence directly linking olive oil to hair growth might not be its worth, nothing the properties of olive oil that makes it a possible candidate for promoting healthy hair. Olive oil is rich in fatty acid, vitamins D and K, as well as antioxidant. All of these nutrients are critical for hair health and help to support growth, which are considered healthy, no heart, healthy fat. This fat plays a critical role in overall health and could potentially also play a part in promoting healthy hair growth by providing the necessary nutrients for the hair follicles. Until recently, one of the few studies that supporting the idea that olive oil is good for hair growth was in 2015, when the hair in mice was significantly enhanced by the application of ingredients extra from the olive oil, the extract from the olive oil tree. However, this wasn't scientifically related to olive oil. But we are talking thing related, right? Yes. So, as I continue, in essential, while directly evidence might be the nutrients rich profile of olive oil is a potential benefit for hair growth, and that's what we need. Olive oil for hair growth benefits, as I do the movements. All right, olive oil has many benefits and support again hair growth, and understanding when could be your first step in achieving the hair growth and desire. Let's explore some of these benefits. Nourishing and moisturizing. Olive oil prevents the hair, scalp, and preserve moisture, making your hair look shiny and soft. This property can be particular benefits for those with dry, frizzy hair, which can be more susceptible to breakage. Yes, so olive oil is rich and powerful lipids, and which all works to strengthen. So yes, sis, supporting scalp health and healthy hair care, olive oil offers that can help smooth scalp irritation, reducing issues like dandruff and other scalp conditions that can interfere with healthy hair growth. It is important to remember that good hair growth and hair health begin at the scalp, and poor scalp health can contribute to reduced hair growth. So to have healthy scalp growth, healthy hair care, remember to treat your hair and treat it right. Thank you so much for watching this video. I catch you all in the next video. Bye bye for now.